What up, YouTube, man? We back at it out here sliding. It is Thursday? Yes, Thursday. I was about to say it's Get Money Monday, but it's not. It's Thursday. We back out here at it, man. We up in the silver bullet truck right now. About to head to the gas station, get some gas, and get some stuff done today. So right now, I'm about to get me some food. Your boy is starving, man. I got to go run a Harley and get a light bulb and a blinker for the 2015. So we got to go ahead and do that and take care of some bills and whatnot. So we about to get this on the road for the day. I don't know if y'all caught my other video I uploaded earlier, but make sure y'all enter to win into the silver bullet giveaway, y'all. We're almost sold out. We're about to hopefully go live this weekend. I'm trying to get it over with. That's why I gave y'all the deal of a lifetime. Today, you get to get 6 spots for each hat that you cop. So if you cop you a red or a blue sliding or hiding hat, each one of those hats right now is going to be 6 entries. So understand that, man. We still got the sliding and hiding patches, but those are going to be 1 patch, 1 entry. But like I said, man, if you want to take some faith in your boy Dre and you want to win this truck and be sliding like this with the bike on the back of that joint, all you got to do is go in the description below on BuiltByDre.BigCartel. Support your boy, grab you some merch, and it could be you too, man. I'm telling y'all, I cannot wait. And I love, like, doing everything I'll be doing, but I'm not gonna lie to y'all, the best part is the delivery. I love building the bikes, I love seeing the powder coated stuff and all that good stuff, but the best part is the delivery, man. Just to be able to sit there and see somebody get something like a Harley from nothing to something for crumbs, literally, and then be able to enjoy it, slide. I'm telling you, that's the best part about it. But we about to get to it and make it happen, man. We about to have a good day. So like I said, if you haven't got in to win it, make sure you do that right now in the description below, because we shall be going live. And like I said before, for everybody who haven't received the merch that they have purchased, I apologize. We got everything on the way, and I'm doing everything possible in my power. Some things are just out of my control, and I'm forced to do nothing but just wait. But like I said, we got it on the way, man. I'm trying to get it done. So I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute, man. We about to get our day going on the road, y'all. We sliding, man. Y'all see it. We done finally made it to Harley. They got a gang of bikes in this joint. They got a gang of them. They got all the colors. I'm liking this orange. This orange look good. I was looking at this the last time. I like the dash with the smooth console. They got the chrome on that joint. Black and orange. They got a gang of bikes. Got the black out on the street glide. Another blacked out glide. Another glide. I like this one right here. Got the Roadglide 23. This thing is nice. They got the small fender with the bronze wheels, the small crash bar. They went back to the manual clutch line. That's crazy. This thing look good. 117. That's crazy. They got a lot of bikes. Woo! They got the bikes up in here, boy. That's crazy. They got so many bikes. Look at that one. They got the 23 on that joint. That's the yellow one with the flags. I was loving. This motherfucker nice, man. I like the scheme, CVO. They got the PM floorboards, the brake. Got the Screaming Eagle 110. That's crazy. I like this wheel. Oh. They got it looking good. Hey, I ain't gonna lie, I got some nice ass bikes. The guy was telling me, my guy.
That's my old bike.
For real?
I traded that bike in.
He said he traded in. Look.
Nah, don't do it. Yeah,
this was really your old bike? Mm-hmm. That's crazy.
The PM legs on it.
I'm just sitting here. I'm like, they got the PM floorboards. They got the brake.
Yeah, I had all that. I had all the chrome screws. You know, it's got PM grips and everything. I had PM mirrors on it.
That's crazy.
I had a whole bunch of shit on it, but then I traded it in.
Yeah.
And I bought a CVO Roadglide.
Oh yeah, you got the new John.
Yeah, so I got.
That's crazy. I got some bikes in here for sure.
Yeah, a whole bunch of junk.
Nah, you got to just make it your way. Shit, y'all given the opportunity. That's what they gonna do with it. That's crazy. They got some bikes. Yes, sir, man. We just left Harley. We got all the last of the parts that we needed. Shout out to my guy up there coming through, man, because I'm telling you, we needed a little bit of all of that, man, for real. But anyway, we about to go ahead and get this bike complete. The sun is going down, but it's not about to stop us from riding and sliding on that 2015 Roadglide, so stay tuned for that. We're about to try to put these last pieces on this bike, get this thing 100% complete, go on a test ride. load it up, and hopefully hit the freeway first thing in the morning, man. So stay tuned for that. I'm excited. I cannot wait to see the reaction of this guy. All he spent was $50 and literally won a Harley avoided and built up top to bottom. So just understand, it could really be you next. I'm not saying that to say that. I'm really saying it for you guys to really know it's really going to be somebody else up next winning this truck that I'm driving right now, paired together with the 2019 Roadglide we've been building and powder coating up with a little bit of parts, man. So stay tuned, because it's getting closer and closer to the deadline, y'all. And I cannot wait, and I understand everybody is anxious as I am, man, because I'm telling you, the time is now, y'all. We about to be sliding, not hiding, man. But we about to get to the crib, y'all. Yes, sir. We didn't pull it up to the house, man. I was such in a rush. I already got the light up on there. I had to put some more primary fluid. Only had a little bit in there. Luckily, I didn't go far. The two times I just went around the block. Now we got enough primary fluid in there. We got both lights up on this joint. We looking good. We about to go on a test ride. I got it on the brake coating this way so I can get that fluid in, because y'all know on the kickstand it's impossible to do it. But yeah, we about to go on a quick little ride, man. Stay tuned, y'all. We about to get this thing on the way and going. You about to hear it. Yes, sir, man. So that's a wrap for the video today. We got some content on this bike, finally sliding and riding. We didn't get to do as much, but I definitely got to get in the gas and stretch the legs on that thing. So that's a plus. Y'all see how good this bike is looking. It's about to finally get to the owner tomorrow, man. We were not able to get the risers for the front fender, but he's still going to get that front fender right there, ready to go, man. So that's the whole thing about it. We got this thing on the way, looking good, and most importantly, sounding good. And then, too, I want to really get up out there before this weather switch up this weekend and start raining and storming, just so it could be in the garage at his home, ready to go, man. So understand that, y'all. We got the Silver Bullet giveaway still going. Y'all see what's going on. Like I said, today, for the next 24 hours now, you'll only be able to get in and copy you a hat at 6 spots each entry. At each hat, you'll get 6 entries for only for the next few hours. So understand that, man. Once it's over with, it's a done data. We can be literally going live this weekend. So hopefully we can sell out and make it happen. If not, we got to just keep it going and keep grinding and pushing, man, because we are literally getting to it in the garage, man. Y'all see how far we done came from nothing being bust down to finally riding and sliding, about to literally get to the owner. And the best part about it, we're not catching no flight, no rental, no room, no transporter. We doing it all ourselves and delivering it to the winner, man. It don't get no better than that. But y'all see it, man. We're going to get back to y'all tomorrow. Y'all see what's going on. You see this video first thing in the morning. Just know this thing is getting delivered and dropped off, man. Y'all see it.